I'm Norm Levi, and I'm an Edwards TAVR recipient. I'm 82 years old. I'm into hiking and guiding and stair climbing are probably my three interests that I enjoy the most. I was having trouble breathing on exertion, and I went to my internist, and my internist took some tests. I had aortic valve stenosis, and he suggested that I see a thoracic surgeon. He made the appointment for me. I talked to the thoracic surgeon, and I told him, I said I wasn't ready. I didn't want to have open heart surgery because of the recuperation that was involved. 4 to 6 months, I'd be off my feet. I'd rather get back on the trail a lot quicker. My wife said she had heard something about TAVR, and in fact, a TAVR procedure was going to be done on an afternoon talk show, and it was going to be live. So I said, I've got to watch this. And the more I watched, I said, this is something that I've got to do. So I started researching it even more, and I started calling around to the different heart institutions. Eventually, I was evaluated for TAVR, and it was offered to me. I was elated when I found that out, and I said, can we do it tomorrow? My advice to patients would be, do your homework, find out if TAVR is an option for you. You should be your own steward and speak for yourself. Explore it. It made all the difference to me.